Selena Gomez is making her father proud. On Monday, September 30th, the Only Murders in the Building actress, 32, walked the red carpet for the premiere of her new project Emilia Pérez at the 62nd Annual New York Film Festival at the Lincoln Center. During the event, she spoke with Extra about what her dad, Ricardo Joel Gomez, thought of her performance as Jessie Del Monte in the Spanish-language musical comedy, as well as her take on representation in the film. "I really feel like this has been such a blessing in this movie. I hope people understand the meaning behind it and enjoy it, and I couldn't be more grateful to director Jacques Audiard for giving me this opportunity as an actor, so I hope this is just the beginning," she told the outlet. The Love On singer continued, "I had never really performed the kind of dances that were displayed in the movie, but it was fun and it felt like a release, and screaming the songs and just being passionate was great." Gomez then shared why speaking Spanish in the musical was important to her. "It meant the world to me that he trusted me with that, and it meant a lot to my family," she told Extra, adding that she had helped nailing her part in the production. "I had coaches, yes, and we communicated every day in Spanish, but, yeah, my dad was even so proud. He was like, 'You're texting me, Mija,' and I'm like, 'Yeah, I'm texting you in Spanish.'" In addition to Gomez, Emilia Pérez also stars Zoe Saldana, Edgar Ramirez, Carla Sofia Gaskin and Adriana Paz. People also spoke with Saldana, 46, on Monday as she shared her experience working with her cast mates. "It's wonderful," the actress told People exclusively about bonding with her co-stars. "To this day, there's so much love, there's so much respect. We're rooting for each other. We're happy for each other. We're fixing each other's makeup and wardrobes. You know, every time on the red carpet, we were so excited to be a part of this project, to be working with director Jacques Audiard, that we were kind of childlike when we were shooting Emilia," Saldana continued. Emilia Pérez debuted at the 2024 Cannes Film Festival in May, winning 2 awards, including the Best Actress award for its ensemble of women. The film, which is based on Audiard's opera libretto of the same name, was also screened at the Toronto International Film Festival this month, where it was named first runner-up to the festival's People's Choice Award winner The Life of Chuck. Emilia Pérez is in select theaters November 1st, and begins streaming on Netflix November 13th.